Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to delete your Issuu account. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. For publishers with paid plans who want to cancel their plan, you can cancel your plan and pay. You can cancel your paid Issuu subscription at any time. When doing so, your account will be automatically converted to their basic or free plan once your remaining subscription expires. Deleting your Issuu account, paid or free account. Before deleting your account, please note that if you delete your account, Issuu cannot recover it. For privacy reasons, we do not keep copies of any publications that you've actively removed from the Issuu platform. For this reason, please be absolutely sure it's what you want to do before confirming the deletion of your account. Here are the steps for us to delete our Issuu account. Log in, hover over your profile photo in the top right hand corner of the screen and click Account Settings. And from there, select the My Information tab. At the bottom of the page, simply click Delete My Account. After that, an overlay screen will appear that will ask you to confirm the deletion. Read it carefully to be certain deleting your account is what you wish to do. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete your account? Simply confirm. After that, follow the confirmation link in the email you receive. And once your account has been deleted, a final confirmation email will be sent. And that's how you delete your Issuu account. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.